Here's a unique ride for us to have. It's a 1936 Ford pickup converted to a Stakebed. It's on a Silverado chassis. It's got 350 V8, 350 automatic trans. It's got a 12-bolt rear end with, I think it's 308s in it, so it's a freeway flyer. Pretty cool. Previous owner actually did a lot of hauling with this back and forth from Oregon to California, which tells you you're not afraid to hop on the freeway and drive it and then put stuff in the back, which is kind of cool.
Drives good.
Driving
power
good.
Steering, power brakes.
It's got aftermarket gauges, tells you what's going on under the hood. It's got vintage air conditioning. One of those cool old tall shifters. Nice old truck. It rides good too. I mean, for it being a, you know, a Stakebed pickup truck, it's not bouncing us around or anything like that.
Oh, surprising.
Got some squeaky brakes.
Oh, must be lunchtime.
Yep, getting busy. Yeah, like I said in the ad, you could just cruise this thing around, put your company name on the door if you want. If you have a farm or a little ranch with horses, you could haul hay around in it. It's like yard art. But, you know, pretty cool. Paint's older, you know, it's an older white paint job. It's got some scratches and nicks and chips here and there, but overall pretty good. The dash is real nice, all painted metallic blue.
Oh, it's got good pickup for a pickup.
For a pickup. Rumbly little exhaust too. It's got dual exhaust on it, which sounds good, goes out the back. Also has a hitch on it, an accurate hitch, so you can tow a boat or a little, you know, jet skis or a little trailer, utility trailer, without a problem.
Yeah, put all your firewood in the back.
Yeah, firewood hauler. There you go. All right, here's our picture spot. Here's a pretty neat farm truck here. It's a 1936 Ford, sitting on a Silverado chassis. Pretty cool looking. It's stretched out. It's all steel. The front fenders are widened to match the width of the chassis of the Silverado. It's got power disc brakes, power steering, vintage air conditioning. It's very utilitarian. I mean, it's got a tow hitch on the back. You can throw stuff in the back. You can put hay back there. If you got a business that does local deliveries, it's definitely an eye catcher. Got the 5-lug Chevy pattern, so you got your choice of wheels and everything when they put them on that way. It's nice. Drum brakes in the back, disc up front. Nice solid body. Really no signs of any rust or anything real major there. It's got a couple dings and scratches and little cracks. It was done a long time ago, but it's just stood the test of time. It's got updated wiring as well. It's got like a 308 ratio in the back, so you can haul on the freeway no problem. It's geared nice. All the removable gates there. I mean, you can do what you want. You can make them all pretty in oak, but then you probably wouldn't want to use it. Show you the interior. The door's kind of cool. Notice that it says it's like V8. Kind of nice. Soft cloth interior. Nice headliner. Custom gauges so you can see what's going on under the hood. It's an automatic, but it's got that tall shifter, makes it look like a stick. It's even got a port for your phone. A neat old truck. Here's the power plant and the 36 Ford. Of course, it's got a Chevy motor in it. A lot of guys like to do that. But it's a balanced and blueprinted turbo, or 350 with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Got all the modern features: electric fan, overflow recovery, vintage air conditioning, electronic ignition. Just a driver, man. I mean, a really good driver. I'll go ahead and fire this one up for you so you can hear it. Nice and smooth, you know, good runner. Not afraid to hop in it and drive it somewhere. Got dual exhaust going out the back. Coming out behind the wheels there. Nice little sound to it. Well, if you want to come check this hauler out in person, we're out here in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi. And our phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, and we'll show you around. Thanks for watching.